about one of the fastest growing home-based business programs anywhere. An independent business where you can earn part-time, full-time, even big-time money right from the comfort of your own home in one of the largest and most lucrative industries in the world.
Travel. Get ready to discover what all the buzz is about. Why people all around the world are saying the best place on the planet is PlanNet Marketing.
Imagine you with your very own business that is moving you closer to financial freedom.
A business that is making it possible for you to finally experience the things that you have always wanted to do.
Just imagine your business providing you with more options and more time.
With PlanNet Marketing, we will show you how to have freedom, flexibility, and financial independence as you take control of your future through the power of entrepreneurship, the travel industry, and e-commerce. PlanNet Marketing will provide you with an opportunity to earn more through your home-based business as a PlanNet rep. Travel more as an IntelliTravel ITA agent. Save more on what you're already spending on travel. Experience more than you ever thought possible.
So who are we? We are PlanNet Marketing, a U.S.-based international marketing company that offers a new marketing concept that is revolutionizing the marketing industry. Founded by Donald Bradley, his knowledge of sales, product distribution, network marketing, and team building affords PlanNet Marketing a unique place among today's at-home business models. His vision is to provide a global opportunity to thousands.
PlanNet Marketing has experience and proven leadership and a corporate support team that provide the tools, training, and customer support to help you grow a prosperous business, a company that you could be proud of, integrity that you can stand on, and leadership you can depend on. Yes, it is a new day at PlanNet Marketing.
PlanNet Marketing enjoys an exclusive alliance with IntelliTravel, a leading innovator in travel for 25 years, led by co-founder James Ferrara. IntelliTravel is built on a strong foundation with top travel industry accreditation and certifications, a reputation that allows you to step into the world of travel with confidence. The business model is simple. PlanNet Marketing sells IntelliTravel. IntelliTravel sells travel.
So many possibilities, so many ways to profit as an IntelliTravel agent, all from the comfort of your own home. Now is your chance to earn commissions on what your friends, family, coworkers, neighbors are going to do anyway. Travel. Now you will be able to book that family reunion, church retreat, sports package, business travel, even your own family vacation, and profit from it. So many ways to earn.
Our program is all about travel and only travel. Why? Because travel is the largest industry in the world. It is an $8 trillion industry that is expected to grow to $15 trillion over the next decade. It is larger than the retail industry, energy, even health and wellness. It is also the most researched word on the internet. That is a clue. It means you are surrounded by people who want to travel. Travel is exploding, and what's fueling that growth are baby boomers who are retiring. In fact, every 20 seconds over the next 20 years, a baby boomer is retiring. Even the younger generation is traveling more than ever. Almost everyone you know is traveling or wants to travel. Now you can get paid on what people are doing anyway.
As an independent travel agent, you will receive everything you need to build a successful business. A business that allows you to earn 70 to 80% of the travel commissions paid by vendors. A business that is partnered with major vendors worldwide. No third-party travel companies involved. High commission group cruise opportunities. A business that provides you all the tools, training, and support to grow a prosperous travel business. Anyone can be an independent travel agent, full-time or part-time. Book travel, earn, explore.
Just look at the potential travel commissions you can earn from your ITA business, in business travel, in specialized travel. Honeymoon travel is a big business, and group cruises offer exciting income opportunities.
IntelliTravel believes you should have fun while learning and earning. With IntelliTrips, you can educate yourself by experiencing travel from a client's perspective.
Want to learn more about cruising? What a better way to learn more than by experiencing it firsthand with IntelliTrips to the Caribbean as an IntelliTravel agent. IntelliTravel provides you everything you need, and they back it with the IntelliTrust guarantee. Best travel price. IntelliTravel will match or beat it. If during your first 30 days as an ITA you are not completely satisfied, IntelliTravel will give you a 100% refund. IntelliTravel's unique home-based agent program is so easy, powerful, and fully supported that they offer the only known profit guarantee for a home-based business. If you do not earn or save more in your first year as an ITA, IntelliTravel will refund the difference.
Let's look at the PlanNet Marketing Compensation Plan. This is your chance to capitalize on the power of leverage and residual income. This is your opportunity as a PlanNet marketing rep to earn part-time, full-time, even life-changing income. Earn from direct sales and from building a team of PlanNet marketing reps. When you, as a PlanNet marketing rep, sell the IntelliTravel Independent Travel Agency, the ITA, you are paid a direct sale commission of $50. That's on every ITA direct sale. And you earn a 50% check match on every direct sale made by your personally sponsored reps. And you earn additional bonuses as your team continues to grow.
Advance through the Builder program. When you have 9 personally enrolled active ITAs, you'll unlock an additional income stream. As a Gold Builder, you'll receive team bonuses paid on every ITA sale made by you or anyone on your rep team, down to the next Gold Builder, plus a 10% match on the travel commissions earned by your personal active ITAs. And that's not all. You will also receive a 10% match of the Matrix commissions earned by your personally sponsored reps. How big can that be?
Next comes residual income. Our 3x9 forced matrix allows you to earn $4 every month for every person on your team, up to 9 levels. Unlock the matrix with 2 personal active ITAs and earn up to $48 of monthly residual income. 3 personal active ITAs earn up to $156. 4 earns up to $480, and so on through 9 levels.
Are you looking for a way to retire on your terms? Our Director program is just what you've been waiting for. Director bonus is paid in addition to your weekly pay and a monthly matrix bonus.
Join the club, that is, the President's Club, where you will wear the ring that signifies a 6-figure income.
You can become a marketing rep for a one-time initial fee of only $19.95 and a monthly administrative fee of $19.95, or an independent travel agent for a one-time investment of $179.95 and $39.95 monthly. You may maximize with both businesses and become a rep and an ITA for $199.90 and $59.95 monthly. Start your journey of success by joining our winning team today. A journey that will allow you to be your own boss, enjoy exciting income opportunities, travel more, and
Hi, I'm Tiffany Hyatt. I am a wife, a mom, and I own my own online travel business. As you can see from the video, anybody can do this job. If you're booking travel, you're already doing this job. You're just not getting the commissions off of it. I just want to tell you, let me share my story with you real quick. So I was the everyday average person, right? I had a great job. I was going to work. I worked my way up from the file room all the way up to manager. It was great. I had a phenomenal team, I had a great environment. I worked in a government agency, so I had what I would consider in normal world terms as a secure job, but everybody knows that there's really truly no secure job unless you're going to be working for yourself. And my husband ran across this video on YouTube, and it was about earning and saving with travel and being able to do more travel. And so he was like, oh my God, that is like up my wife's alley, because she is constantly researching, looking up places that she wants to go and take him to and all that good stuff, right? Because I love travel. Everything about travel I think is phenomenal. So he's like, this is something I need to share with her. But again, I was working, I'm making decent money. I love what I do. I got up every morning, went to work, came home, did the whole mom thing, everything, So it wasn't like I was looking for something to drastically change my life, because I figured I was doing good, right? Well, he showed me the business, and I was like, oh, I get to save and earn and travel more? Well, he had me at travel more, pretty much, because I was like, yes, I want to do this. So for the first year in the business, I just focused on the travel agent side because I wanted to travel more. I wanted to save more when I travel. And I'm never going to turn down some money, especially some money that I'm going to get just because I'm traveling or I'm booking travel for other people that I've been doing for years and years and years before I got into this business. It was phenomenal. And it wasn't until we had decided that for us to really get to where we wanted in our lives as a husband and wife power team, we needed to make some moves. And so where we were living in Florida, we decided to relocate to Ohio. I know some people are like, what, Ohio? I'm like, but this is our hometown. We are Buckeyes for life. And it was the greatest transition that we ever did. But of course, with that, I had to leave my job. So I'm like, do I want to go back into a career that pretty much I grew up in, and start from beginning and go back up the ladder again? Do I want to do that? And by the time I finished my career at my job, I was like, I was bored as a manager. My team was so phenomenal. They pretty much ran the office, and all I had to do was sign off on different things because of my title. You know what I'm saying? So it was like, I want something more creative. I want something more fun, and something that has to do with something I'm truly passionate about. My job, I was great at, but it wasn't something that I was just truly passionate about. I didn't wake up in the morning and be like, yes, let's go over here and do my 9 to 5 and everything like that. I was waking up in the morning like, yes, I'm going to my job so I can get my paycheck so I can truly live my life. But now I'm living my life through my passion, which is travel. And I'm making money off of it, which is phenomenal. So, when we decided to move, I was like, you know what? I am going to go full throttle and do this business as my full-time business and completely 110% change my career path, right? And now I am not only doing something that I am completely 1,000% passionate about, I am able to help other people get this feeling that I have as well. Plus travel more, plus save on my travel, plus earn on what the traveling I'm doing and the traveling I'm helping other people do. Because not only am I sharing this business with people and letting them know what they can do, the possibilities and the value that comes with this business, I am also, for those of you that this opportunity isn't from you, but you love to travel, I am also helping you get to those dream vacations that you thought would never happen in your lifetime, that I was able to put together for you. So it's just a win-win situation all around, and it is fantastic. And I can tell you right now, from my own personal experience, anybody can do this job. If you're already booking travel, then you're already doing this job. You're just not getting the commission that's already built into that travel that you're booking. It's going to whoever that you are booking that travel with. So I just wanted to make sure you guys understand that this business is not intimidating. It's completely your own. There's no quotas. There's no inventory, because what's what our product is? Travel. So it's what people are already doing anyway. You're going to plan a family reunion. You were already planning on going to a family reunion anyway. Your kid has away games in Hawaii or Tennessee or wherever it is, and you have to book travel to go see them. The team has to book travel to be able to go there so the kids can stay, so they can go to the game the next morning. You're already going to do that anyway because they're a part of the team. But why not? Ask yourself this. Why not earn a commission off of that travel that you're already doing anyway? Why not open up this opportunity to other people who are already doing traveling anyway, so they can too become more financial freedom? Money always in the bank, right? Bills paid off. No more dodging your phone calls because a bill collector may be calling, right? Time freedom, so you can do whatever you want. You can throw away your alarm clock, right? Just throw it away and just say, I'm getting up when I want to get up. When my eyes open up, then I will get up. If it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, then it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, because I have no boss to talk to. It's my time. It's my time freedom. You know what I'm saying? Personal freedom. Oh my goodness. If I want to go tomorrow and fly out to Las Vegas with my sisters to have a little girls retreat, I'm outie. That's right. That's what I can do with this business. So I'm sharing this with the world, because if this is an opportunity that you want to learn more and you want to see what it is all about, then I am convinced that you need to contact me. Like and subscribe and comment below, and I can get in contact with you so you can learn more about this business and see if it's truly about something that will really truly help you and change your life and get you to whatever it is that you're trying to get to in your lifetime, right? Don't wait anymore. Life is way too short. People have left this earth way too soon and did not get to accomplish even half the stuff that they wanted to. It is time to stop dreaming and wake up and live the reality that you truly deserve. So thank you for your time. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to just get a little bit more information about the travel business. And I can't wait to welcome you all to my team and to the best place on the planet. Have a fabulous day.